Hello Forex traders, George Tuga here. Today I'm going to talk about some new ideas that I have for this week, the 12th to 16th of September, and talk a little about, I'm going to start with that, talk about the trades that I have since last week. Okay, so let's start with gold. So my second, sorry about this. Okay, it's done. My second trade was triggered around here, and it's already green, and nothing much more to add to this. To what the market is telling me, the stochastic is really good. It's showing me that the market could be easily coming down to my take profit. And if that happens, I'm going to share this information as the things are happening. But I'm already telling you guys that when my first order it's the take profit, I'm going to lock the profit of the second order here, okay, where the first one was triggered, and that's it. And I honestly think that it's going to happen this week, and I hope it does. Okay, so silver, some of you guys must know this. The silver market is very similar to the gold market, so there's nothing much more to add to what I've just said about gold. Sadly, the second order wasn't triggered, and the market is already way down. I don't believe that the second trade is going to get picked up, but it's positive the same, because the take profit, again, I think that I'm going to take this one this week. Okay, now to euro Aussie dollar. Well, just like I wrote on the idea that I shared about this market, the market is I'm going to place the second order as always on this zone here, but honestly I don't think that the market is coming down. The thing is, if you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that the market is way over it's been in a overbought position for a long time. You can also see that on the 4 hour chart, and so I think that the market is coming down, but I'm not seeing the market. It's going to be difficult, in my opinion. Obviously, it's going to be difficult for the market to go much more. I have to think in Portuguese and then translate to English. So I don't believe that the market is going very far from the below from this area here. Okay, there's these 3 pivot lines, and I honestly don't believe that the market is going all the way to here. Okay, but the second order, I'm going to place the second order. I'm going to share that with you guys, but I honestly don't believe that it's going to get triggered. Okay, now this is one that I honestly think that I'm going to hit my stop loss. The trade that I shared with you guys was here on the 4 hour chart. I didn't look away, as I said, I didn't look away from this one, because this could have been a 38.2 retracement, and I repeat, I didn't look away, I didn't ignore this sign, and I took this trade. But now the market is going, it's way up there, and I don't know. Looking here to the 4 hour chart, you can see that the market is in an overbought position. the RSI, the stochastic on the 1 hour chart, you can also see that very clearly. But if you look to the daily chart, that's the main reason why I'm thinking that this one is going to hit the stop loss. You can see these two beautiful bearish candles, and this is almost certain to be a retracement. So as you can see, the market was in a downtrend. This is the last low, and this can the A point can easily be the higher low. Okay, so if this is a higher low, the market is sure to break this point here, the 174.54, and it's going up. It's I'm not, well, I'm sad because I'm seeing this hitting the stop loss, and I'm not having any, well, too much doubt about that. But in the other hand, there's a possibility of another trade, a buy trade, okay, a buy order on the daily chart. So let's just wait to see what happens, okay? Okay, so now that I've talked about the trades that I have since last week, I'm going to start to talk about this week that started today, and share some ideas with you guys. I'm going to talk about the ideas that I have on 3 markets, but I'm also going to share on the eToro platform. So don't worry about that. You have all the prices of stop loss, take profits, and sell order and all that, buy order and all that stuff. Okay, just want to share the idea here on the video, and then I'll write down everything that you guys need if you want to follow my advice. Okay, so Aussie dollar, US dollar. On the daily chart, you can see that the market is in an uptrend, and it's clearly giving us a lower high. So I'm just waiting for the market to break the 74.88 price. Okay, I can see when before I started the video, the market was on the price was at the price was at 75.10, somewhere around that, and the market has come a little bit higher than it was when I started, or some minutes before I started the video. So okay, let's just see and wait. But it's a sell, okay, and we're going to wait for the price to break the 74.88. Okay, nothing much more to say about this one. It's a pretty good it's a pretty good uptrend. You can easily see the lower high, so just a question of waiting for the market to break this price here. Okay. Okay, so now British pound, Aussie dollar. The market has already broken this price here, the 176.72. But the thing is, here you can see on the 1 hour chart that the market is in the overbought zone for a long time. Okay, since last week. You can also see that on the 4 hour chart. So because this was a very, it's those kind of retracements that give me a lot of doubts. And then I already told you guys about the British pound Canadian dollar, that I honestly think that I'm going to lose that one, because I took a trade on a retracement that most probably wasn't a retracement. This one is not as bad as that chart that I already shown, but still, looking at the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart, and seeing this recent history in an overbought position, I'm not going to take this one right now. I'm going to wait for the market to to come back here to push down to the 38.2, and then I'll enter with a buy. Okay, it's not the normal thing that I do, but I think I'm going to do this time. I'm going to do it like this, and well, honestly, if you think about it, why should I be placing? Why should I be buying here if the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart are telling me that the market is most probably going to be pushed down, and most probably, as it normally happens, to this zone here? Why should I buy now, knowing that the market is coming down? It's what I'm thinking. Okay, so to finish things up, just want to talk about British pound US dollar. You can see here downtrend. I already talked about this last week. So there's this downtrend, there's this low here, there's a higher low here. So just waiting for the market to break this previous high, 134.69, and that's it. I'm just going to wait. I can show you this on the 1 hour chart. You have this uptrend here that it's going really high, and I'm guessing that when the market is pushed down, it's not going to well, it's going to give us a higher low on the 1 hour chart, and that's a sign to buy. And here on the 4 hour chart, well, not sure what's going to happen here, but looking to the stochastic and the RSI, I'm guessing that the market is going to break this point here and eventually break here what we want, the price that we want for an entry on the daily chart. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope that I could help, and bem-aja a todos. Happy tradings.